Hello everybody, welcome to the Cutting Edge number 23. I am sending this video from extremely hot and muggy Tokyo, Japan. Today's topic is in-situ repair methods. In this video, I will show you two types of gas leak repair method, namely a revive method and emergency seal method, which are actually used in Tokyo Gas.
Revive method. Revive method is a quick repair technique for leaks due to corrosions on the pipe surface and leaks from thread. It can be used only for low-pressure gas pipes. No pipe cutting is required. Repairing materials are applied only from outside. The figure shows you the cross-section of the revive method. Emergency seal method. Thin layer of epoxy resin is formed by high-speed airflow on the inner surface of pipe. This technique is also used only for low-pressure gas pipes. Versatile technique applicable to 15A to 50A pipes. Schematic diagram of emergency seal method. Maximum processing pipe length is 30 meters. When processing, ambient temperature must be within 5 to 40 degrees centigrade. When preparing epoxy resin, two types of materials are mixed just before processing.
Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like it. If you are interested in the product, please let us know. And I hope to see you again sometime soon with another edition of The Cutting Edge. Bye-bye.